Bishop Kotoma ainerke nyesida bu kili pila suban ayangauni aina pakini kidingi ari naka oteso kede Karamoja needa kwana ejari aini ngosti naipol kidingi Karamoja nepe kede Teso kotupitete i arito lejas Karamoja ka koko na kaibar neluko Karamoja.
We always pray for things beneficial for our souls and the peace in the world. This is our prayer, this is our wish to all the people of Kanapa, of Soloti, of Teso generally. And we also pray for peace in the Karamoja areas, the problems that are going on there. We know that the Lord is in control and everything will come to peace. Peace will prevail. But above all, I call on all people to live with the love of our Lord Jesus Christ in everything, in good times, in difficulties.
Bishop Kisitu ngisida bu kipejo kike Krista yonoto mai mani manake na adero kori ayunet na ka orthodoxy ijai numunumu ajaru na ka Kristo na jena kwape e Pasca. Ido ay numunumu na nesda elosi down hapa rasha kaisangon kotupitete aina peta nuka unete na ka Orthodox.
For almost 40 days after the resurrection, we continue to greet each other with that greeting. Christ is risen. And this is the reason I came also to this beloved area of Kanapa to greet our faithful and tell them Christ is risen.
Alamenge Bishop arema kira ko satio kisi okera ara de tema se da ngete ngebe te chibale abunere na kinsi oni nyama ta nyama ne se oni kata oka
koto sasa alamike ni Papa Bishop lolo la chama ipala kia paka mna ya kadasione ay nyama kadasi nyama dolo aparan.
Bishop Kisitu nyesida bu irimo adu ketaitina ako pukana ejakai adu kokini laije kanapana tino na emuno ebe elosi ayanga kini apia no elosete adepare emilol na kwatare.
Bishop Kosi Silvestro taboga biku abo sparane na kina kusa no bolo ngaraka kisne pe kusa na kita matfalin ko bala som kere budane jai Bishop